If a washing machine's detergent, bleach, or fabric softener dispenser is not working, you can use a multimeter to determine if the control board is sending voltage to the dispenser water valves or diverter motor at the proper times. To access the water valves or diverter motor to conduct the test, you will need to lift up and support the washer's main top, detach the control housing, or fully remove the top panel. Be sure to unplug the appliance's power cord before beginning any disassembly. Disconnect the diverter motor wire connector or the appropriate dispenser water valve wire connector you wish to test. Note the voltage designation on the valve or motor, then set the multimeter's range selection dial to volts AC or volts DC as required. Plug the washer's power cord back in and avoid touching any electrical components with your hands. Now, following the appliance's technical instructions, access the washer's diagnostic mode and actuate the appropriate dispenser function. Contact the meter leads to the diverter motor or water valve power supply connector terminals. If the meter display shows that the appropriate voltage is present, then the diverter motor or the dispenser water valve is probably defective and will need to be replaced. However, if the meter display indicates no voltage is present, then the washer's control board is likely at fault.